guys, so today we're going to be doing a McDonald's mukbang. I'm here with my brother, so he wanted to be in a mukbang, so we were going to do Taco Bell, but then we're broke, so. Do you want to shout your Instagram?
It's DVLJ_.
I'll put it on the screen. So I'm going to tell you guys what we got. So I got a sweet tea for drinks, a large fry, which is right here. Ooh. 20-piece McNuggets. 20 pieces. He got a Big Mac. Yeah, that's yours. And then they give us two.
How bad?
Two? Why? And
look at the receipt.
Bunch of sauces.
No receipt?
Yeah. I got chicken nuggets because I don't know why, but I was like craving it. I don't know. You can eat.
Oh.
So I like barbecue sauce with my nuggets, and then I like what's it called? Sweet and sour sauce with my
French fries.
French fries. I'm weird, but it's good. So honestly, I don't even like McDonald's like that. Like, if I want fast food, I'll go for a Taco Bell, or if we're in the Bay Area, then Chick-fil-A. But it's never like, oh, I'm craving McDonald's, you know. But today, I was craving McDonald's, so we got McDonald's. Oh, we need a thumbnail. Okay, got the thumbnail.
What's your spot?
I was watching mukbangs.
Today?
Yeah. I saw a McDonald's one. I forgot who did it. Let me check. I also have water.
I have sweet tea.
How's mine?
I don't like soda.
I don't know who did it. But it's just okay. Oh! It was I that. I don't know how to say her name. But she did wonders, so it looks so good. She got nuggets and fries. I don't know how people can eat like, yeah.
I forgot my brush.
Like all this food and eat it by myself. I could never.
I should have washed my hair. I'm a lazy guy.
I could never. But this is so good.
When I think of, or when I want Taco, or not, or like, when I think of Taco Bell, I think of Jeff.
Why?
I don't know. When we always ate it.
I know.
What's up, nigga?
It's so good. Yeah, broke life.
It's like $16. They get it for free. Oh,
It was like
yeah?
a 2 for $5 thing.
Oh, what?
It said on the receipt.
Oh, that's cool. But we only asked for one.
I know.
Oh, that's a deal.
I'm pretty sure we still paid for it, so. But one of this is $5, so. $4.50.
The only thing is like 4.
You better eat all this food because I can't.
Weirdo.
I love when mukbangers
I love food.
eat all their food. Like, they have like literally like so much food and they eat it all. Like it just satisfies me because it's so much food and they eat it all. Like it's crazy. I could never.
Are you posting on YouTube? Are you posting on YouTube?
Oh, I started school today.
Oh, yeah,
College.
I saw on your story.
So.
You were late or what?
So my college, I go to community college, and it's like 10 minutes away from my house. Damn me was like, oh, it just only takes 10 minutes. Like I'll be fine. So my first class is at 8. I left at 7:45. Not 7:50, 7:45. And I was still late. Obviously, it's the first day.
Is there traffic?
Kind of. It's the first day everyone's new. Like, couldn't find parking, but I actually found parking. Pretty quick. But my first class is 8 to 8:50. It's math. My teacher was weird, but whatever. Got there late. Sat in the weirdest spot. But then some girl sat next to me and it was fine.
Did you say hi?
And then the meeting's so fast.
I started school like last Wednesday.
I know.
It was alright. I don't know.
He's a junior. Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna be 16 in 10 days.
Oh yeah, your birthday. Forgot.
Send me gifts. It's like I'm gonna get jumped by the team.
Why?
They did that last year. Fucking savages.
When I go to McDonald's, I usually like the sausage McMuffins. Not the egg McMuffin, but the sausage, just sausage and cheese. And yeah. And then I usually get hash browns. And then, I don't know why I'm saying my order, but. And then from Chick-fil-A, I get just this spicy chicken sandwich. I love Chick-fil-A. We should go.
Thanks for coming on.
We should go, dude. But the nearest Chick-fil-A is like an hour, and I'm not down to drive up there.
I'm saying how.
I'm not trying to drive up there every time I want Chick-fil-A, you know? But usually I get Taco Bell. Well, I don't eat fast food all the time. But when I do, Taco Bell. Get off your phone. Taco Bell is the best ever. I love chicken quesadillas from there. Chicken quesarito.
Steak is really my favorite.
Cinnamon Delights. Baja Blast. The regular one. Or the Skittle one's good.
Nacho fries.
Oh, nacho fries. Ah.
I remember.
That reminds me of Jeff.
Yeah.
If you
Remember
don't
you
know
guys
Jeff.
came home when he was like, I think he was high. Nah, he was cosplaying. And you drove him? Yeah, and then Matthias came down with Jennifer, and then Matthias was high. And then we
Anyway.
just all ate like right there. That shit was funny.
It stopped because I don't know why it stopped. But I'm getting kind of full.
Ah, shit. Tomorrow picture.
This is mine. Anyways, what were we talking about? Oh. I'm gonna go visit him for his graduation on the 20. I'm flying out there the 25th. But his graduation is actually the 27th, so I'm gonna do a pack with me. And I think maybe a travel vlog.
I'll do it. I was gonna ask if you're gonna vlog there.
But I don't know because.
Damn, you're gonna be flying the plane?
They give us so much sauce. Why? I should have asked for the buffalo sauce you put in. Anyways, I'm getting full.
Get off? When is this gonna be up?
I don't know. I have school, so. I'm gonna eat this last one.
I might save this.
Ew.
I might eat a pizza. That pizza in there?
That is disgusting. My favorite fries are the soggy ones.
For real? I like the crispy ones. For real?
I love the soggy. Like the sog right here. I love that part.
So weird.
They're cold right now, but when they're hot, they're the best. Like this, like flimsy one. I like it.
And a new SOB.
But like these hard ones, like. Oh, this one's kind of soggy there. Anyways, we're full. I'm full. So, I'm done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did. Now I'm so full I can't even talk. You're gonna eat all this, right? Cause I sure can.
I can't eat without watching a video. It's weird.
Okay, you can watch your videos. Actually, I don't want that. This is all for you. I'm done eating, but he's obviously gonna finish. We're just gonna end off this video right now because I'm gonna go edit this and then probably upload tomorrow after I come home from class. But I hope you guys enjoy this mukbang with my brother, and I will leave his Instagram down below, and maybe his Twitter, Snapchat, I don't know, so you guys can follow him. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace.